And you can see how this sits between the studs. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something a little bit different in regard to the California patch. What I've got here is I've got 3 patches that I've just screwed up to the wall that are cut out. And what I'm trying to emphasize here is size. How big of a patch can you do with a California patch that makes sense? When do you start needing to cut out the drywall from stud to stud rather than doing a patch? And here's how we can determine that. If you look at this small patch down here, this is about 5 inches wide and 4 inches tall. A 4x4, 5x5, no problem whatsoever. Makes a lot of sense to do a California patch. Even when you get up into this size, this is a 6x8 patch, and anything that's 8 inches wide, 8 inches tall even, still no problem. Because if you look at the distance between studs, there's 14.5 inches in the normal placement between the studs. The studs are 16 on center, but there's 14.5 inches of open space between the studs. So 8-inch patch is going to fit no problem. So let's talk about what's the max that we're going to use as far as a California patch. What I have up here is a 12-inch example. This one's just 6 inches high, but it's 12 inches wide. And you can see how this sits between the studs and leaves what would be about 1 inch of space on either side. That, in my opinion, is the largest California patch that you'd want to do. One is that you've got all of this material that's got to hold a much larger piece of gypsum in the center in position. If you look at this small patch has a lot of support for a small piece of drywall. This still has a good amount of support, but that drywall is getting heavier. With a patch that's any bigger than this, then I'm going to start thinking about coming all the way out to the center of the studs, and I'm going to use screws to secure on each side. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to check out our products, click on the link below in the description for easy protection. And to check out our other videos, please click on the link up here.